Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Debut Mission 2 and claim the rewards in eFootball 2024. So let's continue the debut mission now. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event how you can complete the objective or missions so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the missions and this one debut mission 2. Learn the basic of eFootball 2024. Tap it. So as you can see, if you all already complete the debut mission 1, the first one, you can continue in the debut mission 2. So this is I already done some of objective here. For example, login for 3 days, changing your manager, develop a player to level 15 or above, score 3 goals, and many more. So if you already do the mission or the objective, just tap this down button and you can claim the reward here, 100 eFootball coins. Try once more time, or 50, 100 GP, experience, and many more. You can tap it. If you already done, you can claim reward here. So this is claim reward, list of your reward. And if you are not done yet, for example like this, play 5 matches, one more, you can get 100 eFootball coin here. Play 2 even matches, increase player stats. Here you can get a 10,000 experience training program by 3. So please do this objective or play the debut missions and claim the reward from this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.